How to transfer a domain. This video assumes that you are already logged in to your HostPapa Dashboard. Here's how to transfer an existing domain that you've purchased elsewhere to your HostPapa account. Transferring your domain to HostPapa couldn't be easier. Click the My Domains tab. Click Transfer New Domain. A new browser tab will open. Select Transfer My Existing Domain. Enter the domain name you wish to transfer. Be sure to select the correct domain option from the drop-down list. Click Continue. Select your method of payment. Check that you have read and agreed to the terms and conditions of use. Click Continue to confirm the transaction.